AL series rotary vane compressor, which is most suitable for concrete shooting machinery, used in the tunnel and underground. Ever since compared with another type of compressor, Nally rotary vane compressor has quick compressed air supplying capacity, with high-performance oil cooling system, to keep the compressor unit in a comfortable temperature. Nally can provide the optional driving type of oil cooling system, which can be electric or hydraulic motor to meet your flexible installation requirement on the vehicle according to space. This is 55 kilowatt, 75 horsepower, compressor with air delivery capacity of 9.5 meter cubics per minute, and rotary speed of 1,400 per minute. We welcome you to consulting us anytime.